Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Rocky. I'm back with another reaction. I ain't been on YouTube in like a week or two. Damn near a month. My fault. But yeah, we got 1v1 Flight versus Ray Asian Boy. Predicts. I got Ray. I fuck with you, Flight, but I got Ray winning. It depends on what y'all go to. If y'all go to 11, I got him winning 11-7. If y'all go to 13, about 9, 10. I'll give you that much. But let's check out.
What they do, Flight Crew, FTC. Flight T stand. Why July?
It's July.
We got a special so clean, guest. Yeah. What's up, Flight? Hey, man. Playing up to 11. We literally got like 20 minutes left, so we got to stay going. Ones and twos, halftime 6. Ray, you want to keep the ball? Oh, yeah, Ray, what we doing? This 3-pointer? Okay, which one?
What's 3-point line?
I mean,
Jaden McCain. They got Jaden McCain in that bitch.
Yeah, you call it. You're in the middle. Yeah, you call it. I don't know, it's my ball. Damn. Tee up, Ray, get it. Ankle socks, bro. No, I don't have no straight down the line. Get it, Ray. Tee me up. Tee up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, big take up. Hey. Shoot. Yeah, I want to shoot. Got some concessions. Tee me up.
Kamehameha! Like, track that bitch.
Right, quick to the motherfucking chase down bag. Hey, you dropping that collector, right? Oh, shit. Wait,
Bro, that nigga just asked, what's going? Damn, just started.
Oh shit, it's over.
Oh, Rick.
That nigga Ray, his English getting way better. He's talking about shoot that bitch like.
Last night, bro. Oh, yo! Hey, yo! Oh, yeah! What's that? That was 1? 2-1.
Oh shit, Ray got a little game. Yeah, well. What the fuck is you doing, Ray?
Yeah. That lost destruction.
Okay.
It was what?
That lost destruction.
Okay.
Distraction, you buddies.
Irish green, green, green.
Irish green, green, green.
It's time to start my second life. The farming life that I wished for.
We're about to go and harvest some crops.
That
Come
nigga
with
say
us.
Irish green,
It's a
green,
whole lot
green.
of fun.
Another one?
Irish green. Irish green, green, green. Irish green, green, green. What is it? 6-2? 6-2, right?
Halftime? Halftime?
6-1. Halftime? 1 second.
I think you gotta talk to Coach McCain.
Fresh?
You gotta talk to Coach McCain. You got us? We need some help.
We got 2. We driving.
You know, he's hitting shots.
Yeah.
I didn't think he did that.
Give me some pressure.
He is fast, but I think he's fast too. He's got athleticism.
Goes me off the dribble. Just,
Yeah.
yes. All right, I bet.
Keep driving. Use that short
How
ball.
do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel good right now.
Okay.
I feel like every shot is ice green, green, green. You know what I'm saying, bro?
Okay.
I'm
You know what I'm saying, bro?
Let's go.
Fuck it, I'm gonna put out the curry shot. You said I'm not. You said you don't have it, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. I really don't have that. You don't like that, right? Oh shit. You're not good. You're not good.
You too little. You too little, right? That's every time.
He blocked me.
Foul, look, foul. Look, foul. Foul.
Good be right. I like that. Give me that shit. Intimidator badge. Intimidator badge. You got me. Shoot another.
I think it's a foul. It might be a foul.
I ain't calling it. I'm gonna get it. Oh!
6'3" shit.
On your coach, Curry.
Bop. Good shot.
Sound locked in. Told you.
Yeah.
What do you feel? You keep driving? What do you feel?
So a tap, but I'm not calling that. I ain't calling that shit.
Oh yeah. Eight four. Oh yeah. Where the elbow's at, right? Got you. Make it back. Let's go. Eight, four. That's 10, bro. That's 10, 4. My bad. You get that 8, but what's up? What's up? Shoot. Shoot.
Damn.
Not like that, right? In time. Show you something. Don't choke. You miss the shot, get low. I'm gonna come back.
Alright, never heard Flight talk shit.
Shot, you're 15? Yeah. Ray, how about you go 15? You 15? You wanna go 15? Alright, restart. Oh, you wanna restart? Alright.
Oh, you finna make me flame my blunt back up. I ain't even wanna smoke my whole blunt. It's 9:57 in the morning.
What the hell?
Q0, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Ain't gonna go for sweet, buddy. I'm gonna see you.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Hey, I'm gonna see you. I'm put up your dream, bro. I bet. Let me know. I bet. I got tickets for you until I take the boat down. Oh, I bet. You can't kick it. Almost crashed out. 3-0. Oh my God. Give me up. Hey, don't work, buddy.
Flight, don't get 7-0. You come off that bad.
4-0. I mean 3-4. Stop thinking about shooting.
Thinking.
So keep driving. Okay. So.
Okay.
Can't get a taste of shot finish. He is fouling a little bit, but I'm not about to sit here and call 45 fouls.
I couldn't afford a house of my own. Who's here? Okay, so we thought.
These fucking ass. Derrick goes. Derrick goes. What the fuck?
Yeah, 3.
Go. Go. It's time. Man, Ray, strong as hell, bro. How much you bench? I done bench. You don't bench? Yeah, I'm just doing my own. Yeah. Shit, bro. Yeah.
Oh, George.
4-3. Five, 4. 5-4. Get it. You get it right here. Hey, after a shot, I give you 500. 500, what's that? Oh! Fastball! I ain't crashing out. Y'all thought I was gonna crash out. Shit. This time. Hey, you can't play today, right? You can't, bro. Hey, this is a hoop, bro. You can try. Hey, Fly, what's happening? I got.
Hey.
I thought you were gonna be asshole. What? You expect me, bro? Bro, I ain't gonna. Me. Appreciate it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If we play rebounds, I would've won that. Next time, hey, when we rematch, we gotta play rebounds. Got you, bro. Let's do it. Alright, bro. My man, ready? You can, bro.
If you shoot your shot, you
No, man.
let me get a heat check. Can I get a heat check?
Nah, but all just aside though, like, we got way better this year. Last year you was ass. I don't even think you won like a game last year. You didn't. Yeah. So when I come to Cali, I want my ones, and I'll play any YouTuber. All y'all get y'all ass bust. Simple.